London.
Yeah, London.
Bye-bye. I just got that information. Okay, I'm nothing now. Nothing now. I'm going to go back out. Pay the payment. You don't collect all your money. What did they want to pay you again? You see, the man community money. That's small salary. Community money. You get like $5. You know how it is. Yes, sir. You are putting your money here. Oh boy. With the different budget. They use us to do anyhow. They go hold them responsible and hold us. Yes. And then they make it fast. Bye-bye. That's not. I'm not mad. I don't matter. I'm not